January the 10th, 2010. We're going down 29th Avenue where it crosses 16th Street, which is Sandy Ridge Road. You can see it's a fine powdery snow. Snow is compacted onto the road. Nobody's really driving very fast. Everybody's doing about 15 miles an hour under the speed limit. It's beautiful out here. This is different from the snow that we had on Christmas Day. Snow we had on Christmas Day was more flaky and it was a wet snow, and it's been so cold the last few weeks that this snow started laying as soon as it started falling, and that snow, it took hours because the temperature was started out in the mid 30s and dropped until it was around 30 degrees. We're in the upper 20s today. I believe the temperature outside right now is about 28 degrees. This can be a hazardous curve right here, so I'm going to take my time right here. There are parts of the road where the snow is melted. You can see somebody's run off the road. They probably got to going a little bit too fast for their own good right there. That's the thing about this stuff. I lived in the mountains at one time. You just want to cruise. You don't want to ride that brake, because that'll cause you to have a differentiation in the wheel spin of each tire, and that's when you go to spinning out. You just want to get it running parallel, get your foot off the brake, and just let the car cruise. And if you lose traction, what you need to do is get your foot off the accelerator and not jab on the brake. But if you're going to have to slow down a little bit more than you anticipate, you slowly apply the brake. The main thing is to have a smooth flow to your drive, and most people, they don't understand that, especially the people that live around here, because they're not used to these conditions. That's Hampton Heights Golf Course. Nobody's playing golf today, as you can see. This has been started out as a doozy of a winter. We haven't had a winter in this area like this in a couple decades, really. I mean, we've had some snow, but we haven't had this extended period of cold, and it's starting out this cold and continuing. Back in the 70s, there were some snows such as this, but not really, over the last couple decades. Since the last time it was like this was probably, I believe, in that mid 80s period, and even then it was off and on. We'd have a bad year, but then we'd have a year with no snow. You have to wonder if we've entered a phase where we're going to have a heavy snow periods in the winter, which wouldn't be so bad because the summer wouldn't be so hot with so much humidity around here. this is a heck of a hill right here. You have to manage this. Because there's a crown in the road. So if you don't hit it right, you could end up off the edge of the road right here. Now it's making it up this hill. Get enough traction. Get to this dry pit place here. 14th Avenue Northeast. Running alongside Hickory High School. Kids out here playing in the snow. The new Lowe's. And the Lowe's Home Improvement. And coming up the back streets. And I'll chat at y'all later.